welcome to the Mann Tile Showroom. I'm Hannah Baena, and I want to share with you some of the common design styles for kitchen and bathroom tile. I'll be going over 5 of them, and at the end, let me know which one is your favorite. Starting with Organic Modern, it brings together clean, contemporary design with the warmth of nature. Think soft neutrals, earthy greens, natural textures, and simple materials that make the space feel calm, fresh, and inviting. Number 2, Timeless Elegance. This style is all about creating a space that feels refined without being trendy. Classic marble looks, warm wood tones, and simple finishes come together for a design that you will still love for years from now. Number 3, we have classic and retro looks. A simple white subway tile can go with countless styles. But if you want to add some more personality, you can bring in contrast with black and white tiles in checkerboard layouts, penny rounds, hexagons, and more that will create a look that feels nostalgic, stylish, and full of character. 4th, we have Coastal or Beachy. Living near the beach, this is a favorite because it keeps things bright, fresh, and relaxed. Whites, creams, soft blues, and aqua tones, and ocean-inspired shapes give the space an easygoing feel. You can choose more subtle colors for a calming atmosphere or bright colors and patterns for a whimsical look. And finally, our 5th style is Spanish Artisan. Think warm, earthy, and full of handcrafted charm. Rich colors, terracottas, blues, greens, and yellows, natural textures, and decorative patterns create a space that feels collected, historic, and vibrant. Well, which style was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more information, you can check out the details. And thanks for watching.